Selamat pagi kepada semua. Okay, my name is Chin. You can just call me Chin. Thank you for USM Brtech that actually invite me to become one of the panelists that be able to share. And actually, I'm also one of the alumni of Brtech. I graduate on year 2004. So I've been up in the market. It's almost like 18 years. Good morning to you all again. Okay. I will be talking about the coating industry. So first of all, right, what's the coating? What do you understand by the word coating? Okay, first of all, what is coating? Okay, coating very simple. It's a covering of layer, right, that's applied to the surface of the object or a subject. So mainly coating, right? Normally, the industry that we will be involved in will be the paint industry, the ink industry, or the adhesive industry. So for myself, right, I've been involving myself in the paint industry for the past 18 years. Okay, can we go to the next slide? Yeah, the main function for coating, right, is for either for decorative or protection. So every morning when you wake up, you open up your eyes, right? What's the first thing you can see in your eyes? It's all colors, it's all decorative stuff. In your room, or if you wake up in the jungle, it's all green, it's all brown, it's all the rocks. So it's coating is one of the main function is for decorative. So all the colors in the world, the ginju that you have, the makeup that you have, it's all about colors. So it's very common and down to earth that everyone has everything that we touch, right? Mainly we have coating on it. So first thing is for the decorative. Second thing is for protection. So what type of protection we are talking about? You can see on one of the photo there, right? Mostly, right, on metal, right, say that metal will be easily to rust, right? So coating is one of the way to protect metal from rusting. So beside on the rusting side, there's a lot of different function on how actually a coating or a paint, right, able to help for protection. Okay, can we go to the next slide? Okay, the general coating industry that we know about in the current market. You can see that currently, especially Yamaha motorcycle has been very well around. You can see a lot of different vibrant colors, which is coated on the motorcycle parts. And also for the buildings that you can see that we're coating with colors, those are the decorative side. So these are the common general coating industry. You can see you can spraying of cars, do coatings on paint. Even this now, we say about wood, right? We have wood coatings we have wood coatings as well, even for floor coatings. So coatings is everywhere in the market. So these are the general coating that you may see in the market. But beside the general coating industry that you might able to see, right, there are some that actually you might not be aware that they are coating as well. Okay, so can we go to the next slide? Okay, some of the specialty coating industry which you wouldn't normally see, those are like armor truck, military paint coating. Those are like weaponry coatings, the liquid metal coatings. Though there's a handgun there, right? You can see a handgun there. And also we have for the military side, we have rocket launcher paint coating. We also have aviation, we also have aerospace. As you can see, there's a medical is that the MR scanner? Okay, we have those like antibacterial coatings on medical equipments. And also we have powder coatings, UV coatings, and also we have specialty coatings like electric paint coatings or liquid coatings. So these are type of special coatings industry which normally, right, we won't be able to involve with. But for me, I'm currently dealing with all of this special coating industry. My experience in coating industry is I have been working previously in Nippon. Okay, I once I graduate from Brtech, I was engaged with Nippon for almost 9 to 10 years. Then after that, I came out, right. Then I was collaborating with Sherwin Williams, which is currently the one of the top paint and coating companies in the world. And I'm involving myself in specialty coatings. So these are, as what you can see here, these are the world top paint and coating companies in the world. And you can see the figurines there, right? The top one is the company itself. It made 17 billions uh, worth, okay, of revenue for the budget. And you can see that actually the total uh, market for paint and coating industry is almost like 170 billion US dollar currently in the market. So even though until now, even for the NCO period that we are having, the pandemic season that we're having right now, the paint industry is still growing. Even with or without the pandemic happen, right? The paint industry is still moving onwards. So it needs actually a lot of talents. It needs a lot of skills, engineers to be involved in each this kind of coating companies. So they are in high demand actually. Actually, one of the graduates of Brtech, right? Because my company currently are expanding. One of the graduates of, and recently I just get to attach become the panelist industrial panelist for Brtech. So I get so lucky that I have one of the graduates for 2021 that joined my company. So I hope that more and more will coming into the company, which I need all the talents lah. Okay, never mind. We go to the next slide first. So as I say, the forecasted, right, the market is focused around reach to 170 billion by 2022. And currently for the paint, because paint, one of the problem that for the coating industry we have is that most of the paint, right, are very high VOC content material or products. So currently in future, right, they are moving into greener products. So it's that those have lower or near zero VOC products and also more on water-based products, which are environment friendly. Because currently most of the products for coating industries are not environment friendly, but we are moving onwards towards that. And we need really high and those who have fundamentals and basics for coating knowledges, right, to join and to grow and also to become scientists or maybe to become the R&D researcher for the industry. Okay, can we move to the next slide? Okay, thank you. This is a very short and simple sharing. So if you have any questions, then you let me know.